Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change the display refresh rate on your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you'll want to go to your settings and go to display and then scroll down to display refresh rate. Right now it's set to auto, so it's smart optimization up to 120, but you can also say to choose 60 or 120. So 60 is smooth and a lower battery consumption, and 120 is smoother. A higher display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing but drains the battery faster. Refresh rate is capped at 60 in battery saver mode. So that's just on the side, and we click on 60 now and go back and scroll up and down, and then we click on 120 and scroll up and down. Personally, I think 120 looks smoother. Normally I don't really see the difference, but on this phone it does look smoother when you set it to 120. I'm gonna set it to auto now, and we'll do the same thing, and I think that looks pretty smooth as well. So you can put this to anything you like, 60, 120 or auto. That's up. And if you set your things here, you can go back and then just use your phone as normal. So that's how you can change the display refresh rate on your Motorola Moto G53. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.